Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to create your account on iiniit in just a few simple steps. First, open your browser. In the search field, you type iiniit.com, iiniit.com, then hit enter. Now, look at the top right corner and see the sign up button. So, click the sign up button. Now, fill in your details, enter your first name, last name, username, email and password. So, I am typing my first name, last name and also the username. Okay, now I am typing my email. Okay, now I am typing my password. Okay, once everything looks good, click on sign up button. Okay, in this step, you are not a robot. This is verifying. So, click the checkbox. Okay, after sign up, iiniit will send a verification email to your email inbox. So, go to your Gmail and see this is the verification mail. You just copy the code and paste it in this input field. Now click confirm. And that's it, your iiniit account is now ready. If you click your profile icon and go to my profile, you see your profile all details. So thanks for watching this video and welcome to iiniit.